Hello everyone, hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Well, what I have here today is the new Popeyes chicken sandwich. Well, actually I shouldn't say new, it's a new sauce. It's the golden barbecue. It is a honey mustard barbecue sauce with the pickle, the fried chicken on the bun. I wanted to compare it to the original spicy. I just wanted to get right down to it and see if this new one, this golden barbecue, is better than the spicy. It's warm. It doesn't look too bad. It's a good piece of chicken. Got a nice fry on there. I got a little bit of that sauce, kind of a smoky sweetness. I'm not getting a lot of sauce. Well, it's there. Let's approach it from this corner. I'm not picking up a lot of flavor off of that sauce. I do get a slightly sweet, smoky, yeah, a little bit of that mustard flavor, barbecue. It's not too bad. I've obviously had the original spicy before. And I can tell you what right now. Both of them, the chicken is juicy. Just look at this beautiful, look at that. Gorgeous. Quite spicy. I always forget how spicy that is. Really get your head tingling, your scalp. So yeah, it's nice to get a new sauce, but when the sauce isn't as good as the original, why bother? I'd recommend, if you want your Popeyes fix, go get one of the originals. Although this isn't bad, if you wanted to try something different, you're curious what a golden barbecue sauce would be about, you might want to give it a try. But as far as comparing the two and picking a winner, that's my winner right there. You saw it right, you heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell someone you love them.